Hi, I'm Ashley, and this is Mia. In this lesson, we are going to begin learning about plural nouns. Are you ready? Let's go. So you already know that a noun names a person, place, or thing like girl, house, or hat. Girl, house, and hat are called singular nouns. That's because there's only one girl, house, or hat. Plural nouns refer to more than one person, place, or thing, like girls, houses, or hats. We usually make a noun plural by just adding an S to the end of the noun. And when a noun becomes plural just by adding an S, we call that a regular plural noun. There are lots of regular plural nouns like books, games, girls, dogs, computers, and robots. All of these words are regular plural nouns because to make them plural, all we do is add the letter S. There are also irregular plural nouns. These nouns are made plural by doing something other than just adding S. Some words become plural by adding ES instead of just S. You need to add ES to the nouns that end with S, X, SH, and CH if you want to make them plural. Let's look at some examples of nouns that end with S, X, SH, or CH. Remember, to make these nouns plural, we add ES instead of just S. So words like dress and mess become dresses and messes when there are more than one. Box and axe become boxes and axes. Wish and dish become wishes and dishes. And the plural form of words like branch and church are branches and churches. Let's practice some irregular plural nouns together. The word class is singular. It means just one class. But what if I have more than one class? How would I write the plural form of class? Class ends with the letter S, so I know the plural form is classes. I add ES to the noun that ends with an S. Let's try another. How about fox? Well, fox ends with an X, so more than one would be foxes. I think we're getting the hang of this. Let's practice a couple more together. How about the noun radish? Radish ends with SH, and I probably wouldn't have only one radish growing in my garden. I would have more than one, and that would be radishes. Okay, last one. How would we write the plural form of the noun watch? I wear a watch to tell the time. But if I owned more than one, I would have watches with an ES on the end, because watch ends with CH. In this lesson, we learned that when we have more than one person, place, or thing, we might have a regular plural noun, which means we just add S, or we might have an irregular plural noun, which means we do something other than just add S. We learned how to form the plural nouns of words ending with S, X, CH, and SH. When you want to make these words plural, you just add ES. We'll stop there for now because that's a lot to remember. Of course, there's one more thing though. Always be clever.
Hey.